Now it's time to design database, so we'll have a guideline how to create entities and relations between them. First, we are gonna prepare a UML diagram to illustrate tables and relationships. Next, we will set fields to each table. Last step will be set up design a database inside MySql Workbench. Database will be typical for e-commerce, but at least I will try to explain all connections and details. At the beginning, we have customer table. Customer table will be connected to orders table. Order table will contain foreign keys of customer primary key and each primary key of detailed order table. Detailed order table contains each connected foreign key of product and exclusive foreign key order number to identify products related to this order. This table is like a bridge between products and customers. Also, this table helps us combine many products into one order. Now let's focus on different fields of each table. Customer table needs basic informations like first name and last name, address, postal code, city, country, email address and phone number. Orders table will contain, besides foreign keys, date of order and date of delivery. Detailed orders table contains, besides foreign keys of product, amount of ordered product just in case that customer wants more of same goods. Product table contains name of product, category of product and of course price of it. Once we design database, let's move to MySql Workbench. Click on a table with a right mouse button and click on Create Table. Let's start with Customer Table. Set up name, next ID as a primary key with auto increment option and the rest of informations as we mentioned before as a varchar with 45 characters, which is more than enough. Set each field as not null to prevent storing empty customer informations. Next, we will create orders table. Set name and add ID as a primary key. Additionally, set this field as an auto increment option. Click Apply to save changes. After that, create detailed orders table. Set the same primary key as in previous table. For now, that's all. Click Apply and move to Create Next Table. Name it as a product. This table contains same primary key as each of them. After ID field, set name field as a varchar with 45 characters. Same apply for category. Last field is a price field that we are gonna set as a double data type with default value of 0 and not null option. Set not null option also for name field. At the end, accept changes by clicking Apply. Sorry for that, but change 0 value to double indicate 0 value. Save changes. Go to Detailed Orders and set foreign key. Name it Product ID. Set as integer. Switch to Foreign Keys tab, set foreign key name to ID. Find referenced table. Check Product ID and select ID from reference table. Our table is set up correctly. You can check foreign key inside the tree view on left side. Last field in this table will be amount, which indicates amount of ordered product. Set this value to integer with 0 value as a default. As always, don't forget to apply changes at the end. Set foreign key to not null and save once again. Inside orders table, first set customer foreign key, as always set to integer. Mark as not null value. Go to Foreign Keys tab. Set foreign key name to ID customer and select customer table as reference table. Check customer ID and set it to related ID inside customer table. Do the same setup for order ID by referencing it to Detailed Orders table primary key. Last field to set in this whole process are order date and date of delivery. Those fields are set to date data type with null default value. Save changes. Our database is ready to go.